Welcome to my channel. I'm Judy of Mama Jude Says, and this video features a recent visit that I had to a living tribute to the age of steam railroading, the Steamtown National Historic Site, which is nestled in the heart of Scranton, Pennsylvania. At Steamtown, history isn't just displayed, it moves. Steamtown is home to one of the most impressive collections of steam locomotives and railroad memorabilia in the United States. America's railroads helped build the nation, linking towns, transporting goods, and connecting people. And at Steamtown, the legacy of that transformation roars back to life. Steamtown is the only place in the national park system where the history of steam railroading is told. Steamtown was originally a maintenance facility for the Delaware, Lackawanna, and Western Railroads, but in the fall of 1986, the approximate 40-acre site was transformed by the National Park Service into the home of a museum and a working rail yard. The site holds many magnificent locomotives. The size and iron might of these machines are something to behold, and should you ever find yourself in northeast Pennsylvania, I encourage you to add a stop here to your itinerary. Inside the museum, you can explore hands-on exhibits that take you deep into the lives of engineers, conductors, and the hard-working crews who kept America's iron horses running. But Steamtown isn't just a place to look, it's a place to ride. From short excursions around the rail yard to longer seasonal trips through the stunning Lackawanna Valley, you can experience the magic of steam travel for yourself. Pause the video if you need extra time to read the displays. Guided tours, restoration demonstrations, and ranger programs make Steamtown a dynamic experience for all ages, whether you're a lifelong rail fan or a curious first-time visitor. There is also a trolley museum located just across the parking lot from the Steamtown Museum, and trolley rides are also available. There are no fees to visit the site, but you must purchase tickets for train and trolley excursions. On my recent visit, a short excursion on a passenger train was $6. Visit the Steamtown website for more details. I've added a link to the website in the video description below. Steamtown isn't just about trains. It's about people, innovation, progress, and the sound of history echoing through the tracks. Come along with me for a ride through history, one steam engine at a time. a walk through the caboose, which is a freight train car that's usually attached, mostly at the back of the train, for the use of the train crew. That wraps up the tour of Steamtown. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you've made it this far in the video, please comment choo-choo below or let me know if you are a train enthusiast and whether you've visited Steamtown yourself. I've added some bonus footage of my brief visit to Lake Scranton. If you have not yet clicked that like button or subscribed to the channel, please take a moment to do so now. It's free, and I would appreciate your support. Which is nestled in the heart of Scranton, Pennsylvania. You doing? Does it look like I'm looking at the camera now? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. This is Steamtown. Oh. Welcome to my channel. I'm Judy of Mama Jude Says, and this video feature. I just looked down. Let's go somewhere. There are people who have the endurance to circle this lake.